All right, everyone. It is 2:47 p.m. Eastern Time. It is September 8th, 2025. And yeah, let's go ahead and see if we got a trade here. Open up the lamp a little bit here, get some light. Let's take a look. Haven't been haven't done much trading. I took one trade this morning. I'm rebuilding my kitchen, and I don't have sanitation service. I have to take all my garbage and take it to the dump. All right, so anyway, I'm taking a look at this 30-minute volume profile, and I know a lot of the my subscribers, they trade the profile. On a longer term, we're below the VWAP. Doesn't mean we won't go above the VWAP, but if we take a look at what's going on here, we made a swing low here. And now we're kind of trying to pick up a little bit. We take a look at the profile on both. This is the profile that started at 9:30 during the open today. And right here is a more of the month. So we're going higher up. Of course, we're making newer highs, right? So that's the theory. So, but where do we go? Where do we go from here? That's it. Is there a trade here, right? Now we have to dig deep. There's always going to be a trade. If you're going to hit a home run, I don't know. But you're going to get a point, you know, yeah. You just pile 10 contracts on, you made 10 points, right? In theory. But we don't do that. Let's go ahead and take a look at what the footprint is telling us. What it's telling me is we're a little light on the volume. In other words, when I say light, lower volume, okay, than what I see here. And this is just quick, looking quickly. I know that my lighter um, colors are higher uh, volume, right? So we had higher volume here, but very small numbers. We went up a little bit. We were pretty much negative delta. We came up a little bit here. Now, if we take a look at the bookmark, or as Quantower says, they like to be called the dome surface. And I'm taking a look at the liquidity zones here. And I know I have more passive orders here, and they're dropping these orders. So I may be looking for a little short, okay? But I really need to know where to pinpoint, because I'm going to pinpoint up in here. All right, now I think I just lost that move. They're starting to pull all of these bids. They just pulled a bunch of these offers. We definitely have two-way trading here. Looks like we may hit a wall. So I'm going to go short right here. So I'm short at 502.25. We printed 122 here on the buy. I have VWAP. Got 22 on the sell. So we need to increase here, down tick. That's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a down tick. We got 8. So maybe just a little, you got to understand, we're going to probably have a little bit of slow trading, but we are down ticking. We're not going to take a loss. So I really don't know how this is going to end up. I'm not expecting an uptick here. I'm just going to take it. That's a 1.5. Okay. If you're trading the E-minis, that would have been $75 right there. We'll probably come down a little bit more now. All right, we have 6 minutes on this video. I'm going to cut it here. One trade, one video. All right. So if you like this kind of content, please like, subscribe, share, comment. If you comment, I will get back to you. And join my Discord. I have a, wow, look at that. You see? No FOMO. I'm not getting back in there again. And I'll just start a new video. All right. Thanks for watching.